Hello guys again and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing, and today I have this Eufy Security SoloCam S40 by Anker, wire-free standalone security spotlight camera with an integrated solar panel. Free, no monthly fees, 2K high resolution, color night vision up to 8 meters, advanced person detection, works with Google Assistant and Alexa. Ooh, nice. I like the package. Eufy protects the products. It has a great packaging. Wow. Wow. It's amazing. I like it. The solar panel, of course. Wow. It's quite heavy. Definitely it feels a premium product to my hand, without a doubt. Let's see what else we've got on the box. We've got some stickers, Eufy security camera mounting screw position card. Okay, nice. We value your privacy as much as you do. That's why since the birth of Eufy security we've been taking solid steps to protect your home as well as your privacy. Nice, I like that. A card from the company. Sticker 24/7 monitoring by Eufy security. Place this sticker to let visitor know your property is monitored by Eufy security. And of course the manual, if you want to read it, is your choice. But stay with me, you're gonna find out all about this product. And of course we've got the charging cable, if you want to charge this unit. And yes, we've got the Type-C, Type A to Type-C. I like Type-C cables, yep. 4 screws for mounting this bracket. Unscrew that, adjust from here, and screw it back on. And there's a hole. You can screw it here. Of course, I will show you how to do that and mount it at the wall. Well, let's see at the camera now. Of course, we've got the solar panel, obviously. I like matte solar panel, I like it. Eufy Security 2K, both sides. Down here we've got the speaker, the mounting bracket, and here we've got the sync button and the Type-C connectivity. You can charge this unit, you can charge it from a power adapter, 5 volt 2 amp, or you can charge it from the sun. Nice. Seal it very well. This cap, it prevents any water go inside and damage your precious camera. And at the front, of course, let's take this out and reveal the beautiful, oh my god, so beautiful. At the center we've got, of course, the camera lens, 2K resolution, 2K high resolution, see everything at the day and at the night. Down here we've got the motion sensor, and here it is the photosensitive sensor. The microphone, of course, here this hole, the LED indicator, and around here, of course, we've got the 600 lumen ultra bright spotlight. Well, we're gonna find out how much brightness it can give us at the night. Well, that was all about, and again I can say, feels very well to my hand, something premium, I like it. Wow. Definitely Eufy is doing a great job making these security products and more products. Vacuum, other security camera, security alarms. You can check down below in the description, find the links and check what products it's more suitable for you and just buy it. Just 2 hours of direct sunlight each day is enough to continuously power SoloCam S40, so you never have to worry about charging the battery. With a 2K high-definition video, see exactly what's happening around your home. And the camera color night vision, with the help of the high brightness LEDs at the front, records every detail up to 8 meters away. And all the videos are in a secure local storage. SoloCam keeps 8 GB of video safe on the device. That's at least about 2 months of footage, all kept under the IS-128 military-grade encryption. No monthly fees to use this device, buy it once and that was all. And with the built-in AI detects approaching people within just 200 milliseconds, that's up to 5 times faster than a cloud-based AI. constantly analyzing the environment and reflecting on the past experience to improve accuracy 99.9% and reduce fall alerts. And with the all-weather protection you can install this camera because it has an IP65 rating, no problem under the rain, sleet and snow, and also standing strong against both extreme heat and cold. Receive only alerts on your smartphone which matter the most, set up 2 activity zones to cover the most viral areas of your home, and with the advanced onboard AI only alerts you when a person it detects, but not the pets. It takes only 3 seconds to instant alert you when it detects someone approaching your home. And all that combined with an ultra bright flashing spotlight and the powerful siren 90 decibel right from your phone to scare away any unwanted guest. Well, nice of that, let's install it to my wall and make the setup to my Wi-Fi network. Now, before mounting at the wall, let's plug it in and make the setup. Type-C connection, 5V 2 amp, and as we can see we've got the blue LED at the front. Eufy security, make an account, add the device, SoloCam Solar. You need to choose a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, enter the password, next. Press the sync button for 2 seconds. Okay, at the back we've got the sync button, press it for 2 seconds. Yep, I heard the beep. We will generate a QR code for the Wi-Fi connection, okay? Okay.
Connecting to the Wi-Fi network. Please wait.
Yes, dear, I am waiting. Next.
Setup was successful.
Add successfully. Next.
F1T 8124 P20213708885.
Okay, Alexa, thank you. Eufy security formatted micro SD, optimal battery life, optimal surveillance, customized recording. You can choose clip length from 10 to 120 seconds, re-trigger interval from 5 seconds to 60 seconds, and clip early if motion stops. On or off battery life will decrease dramatically on this mode. Okay, next. Yes, already done that. Full charge the battery before mounting. Some tips how you can mount. Solar panel guidance. In order to make full use of the solar panel, please try to choose a place where the solar panel will receive maximum sunlight. Correct. Thank you. Places not install SoloCam. Yep, of course, you need to have a direct contact to the sun. I like all the tips. And we've got a firmware update. Someone has been spotted. Okay. Update. And update successfully. Easy process to set up. No more than 1 minute. Thumbs up. Well, let's mount it to the wall now. Now, installing the bracket at the wall, you need 3 screws. Perfect. And now we need to screw the camera. Tied it very well with this plastic. And of course the solar panel needs to be up directly looking to the sun. And then unscrew that, adjust, find the right position. You need to install this camera 2 to 3 meters from the ground to have a better results. Tied it very well, and that was all. And now I am approaching the camera, and here I am. Someone has been spotted. We've got the notification, tap, and you can see instantly the guy that is in front of the camera. And here I am, and yes, I'm looking great. The 2K resolution, high resolution is doing a great job. It is amazing. You can see everything very clear. Definitely Eufy is doing a great product. You will like it, just buy it and enjoy this crystal clear picture. Wow, I like it. Amazing. See all the details. And the fast response for the motion detection is amazing. You can get notification instantly. It doesn't take more than 3 seconds to get notification to your smartphone. Let's go back, preparing to play. And of course you can start recording. Save it to phone album. Take a screenshot, save it to phone album. You can turn on the light, turn off the light. You can start the two-way audio communication, hold and speak. Well guys, definitely you will enjoy a crystal clear audio and you will have the best two-way audio communication. Communicate with a person that it is in the front of your door, give him instruction and more. It is a crystal clear communication. You can mute and unmute the speaker. And of course you can go to the events and check all the events, choose the day and the hour that you've got the event, and again someone has been spotted, and choose the video and just check who it is. You can download, share the video, donate or delete. Download and save it to your phone album. Go back. You can choose B&W night vision, spotlight night vision or turn off night vision. Manual alarm, it will trigger a sound and light alarm. The alarm will turn off automatically for you in 30 seconds. Sound only, light only or sound light. And continue. And again notification, instantly we've got a notification. You can see everything at your smartphone, what is happening at the place where's the camera. Settings of SoloCam S40. You can rename the camera, turn off the camera if you want, turn off the status LED, turn on. Status LED will turn on when the device is live streaming or recording, confirm. Logo watermark. Do you want to hide the Eufy security logo watermark displayed on the video? Okay, turn it on again. Night vision, you can choose BW night vision, color night vision, or turn off night vision. Spotlight settings, and here you can adjust the color temperature, colder, warm, warmer, at the middle. Definitely it has a very good brightness at the night, you can see everything very clear. You can adjust the brightness, low brightness, middle, warmer, high brightness. Motion detection, you can turn on or off the motion detection, choose the activity zone, and here you can add the activity zone and get notification only from this zone. You can save. In this area you will not get notification. Add other area if you want, it is your choice. You can delete. Same here, edit and delete. Go back. Detection sensitivity from 1 low to 7 is the highest. Detection type human only or all motion. Motion test mode, you can test the motion detection. Tips for installation. Nice. Power manager, you can see the detection statics. Use days, total detected events, recorded and saved events. 99% is the battery. You can choose working mode, optimal battery life, optimal surveillance or customized recording, and choose the clip length from 10 seconds to 120 seconds or retrigger interval from 5 seconds to 60 seconds, and clip early if motion stops. Battery life will decrease dramatically on this mode. Dashboard, and here we can see the diagram. Battery percentage trend, solar charging efficiency 2%, 300 mAh is approximately equal to 2% of the battery power. green energy, total solar charging efficiency 2 mAh, total time of solar charging 30 minutes. 97% is charging. Video quality, you can choose streaming quality auto, high, medium and low. Let's leave it on high. Recording quality 2K HD or Full HD 1080p. I like the high quality. Audio settings, turn on or off your microphone. Audio recording, enable audio recording when recording videos. The speaker you can choose from low, medium and high or turn it off. Notification, most efficient, full effect, include thumbnail, motion alerts, choose the alert tones, switching notification, switch mode by schedule or switch mode from app. Storage, local storage, usage 36 MB from 7.3 GB, and we can see the unavailable and the available. You can format and clear. Wi-Fi connection, here you can choose other Wi-Fi router and install this camera. Time settings, current time, time format and time zone. Mounting guide, a guide helps you to mounting this camera at the wall, but I already show you that. I like that they've got this information. You can share the device to other members of the family. About the device, here you can see the serial number, MAC address, system version and check for firmware updates. And of course you can restart the device and remove the device. Okay, nice. I like when a device it has so many settings to adjust to your needs, find out the best. And now let's try the night vision. I'm walking and approaching the camera and I can say I'm looking great, and with the black and white night vision you can see everything very clear, all the objects, and if someone is passing through the camera you can see the person very clear. Now let's try the color night vision, and here I am. Definitely the color night vision, it is more suitable for the eye. You can see the colors, everything very well. The LEDs at the front are doing a great job, and you can see the person in front of the camera very well, and all the objects around. For me, I like more the color night vision. Now let's try the color night vision, but with a siren. Well guys, that was all about this Eufy Security SoloCam S40 with an integrated solar panel. Well, what else you can ask from a camera? Integrated solar panel, battery powered. You will forget to charge this SoloCam because it's harvesting the sun energy and charging the battery. It takes only 2 hours of sun every day to have 24/7 monitor of your home. Secure local storage. All your footage, they will be stored on an 8 GB of internal memory. Nothing you will miss. And of course, everywhere and at any time from the Eufy Security app, you can check everything. Have instant notification to your smartphone whenever and wherever a person passing through the camera. And with the integrated LEDs, you can have a color night vision that is more suitable than the black and white night vision. For me, of course, maybe you like the black and white night vision. It is your choice. Well, leave down below to the comments your thoughts and tell me what is it about this camera that you like most. If you need to buy it, guys, you can check down below to the description. You can find a link, click it and find more information about this camera and where you can buy it. It is an amazing camera, and definitely with a 2K resolution is doing a great job. And with all that, guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It takes only 1 second. Press the subscribe button. That was all. It is very helpful. Share this video. You never know who may need it. And hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.